is Rib Rib. So we are done shooting now for the song I'm in Love, and the song is very beautiful. This full song will be out soon on Sare Productions channel, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Card out.